Hey everybody, I had $25. I did have $25 as birthday money. He came in early for my grandpappy. Tomorrow is my birthday, but look what I bought for myself as a look what I bought for myself. I bought this truck myself as a birthday gift for me. I bought it myself a birthday gift with my own money. This truck was for like 20. I bought him for $25 at the Massaponax flea market today. It's a beautiful truck, but I do got him very loaded up just with junk and stuff of broken toys that I used to have. It is a beacon, I believe, moving truck. They've been a moving company since 1891. That's an old moving company. And I think it's a beautiful truck.
Here in Minnesota. These deer were stuck about 1,000 feet inside from the edge of the lake.
The trailer does come off.
You can actually walk on ice, but the way their hooves are, if they actually slip,
The trailer does come off. At least the trailer does come off.
no traction at all whatsoever.
These guys know that they can get on the ice. They're experienced in the area. They know it's safe enough to be out there. And they're like, all right,
And the trailer's made out of pear metal or tin, whatever it is, and the cab feels like plastic. The wheels are plastic, but the axles are metal. Just want to show you my new truck.